Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here one of my favorite Gunpla kit, master grade version from Bandai. But before I had this kit, I have the high grade model of that, but sad to say I broke the shield and I threw it away because I don't like broken kits. Anyway, let's go and check this Gundam Dynames from the Mobile Suit Gundam 00 anime series. But to be honest, I did not like watching this 00 series because I don't like the graphics of the anime, except for Gundam Wing, G, X, and the Tourney. All the previous 90s Gundam anime I watched, but from Seed onwards, I just choose which story or series I like to watch. But since I don't like watching 00 series, I like Dynames due to the fact that it's a gunner sniper Gundam. And the color green of this kit will break the monotony color of most Gundam suits I have here. So let's check this out. So first of all, I want to thank G16 base hobby store for providing me this Gundam Dynames. So I bought this kit from him, and this shop is really good. The owner is really good. So guys, if you want to buy some model kits, look for G16 base hobby store here in the Philippines. So let's check this out. This Dynames, I like the box art. To be honest, I did a pics art of this box art. I combined it with Heavy Arms and Buster Gundam, and I did a background wallpaper for my laptop using this box art because I like gunner Gundams, Gundam with big guns, and any mecha suit with big guns. So the box art here shows the side, where we can see the rear view and the front view of Dynames, the sniping position while on prone position, the GN sniper, and the shooting pose while flying. There's this head here. The neck can bend like this, and the shoulder. And the kit can pose the shooting to the sky sniper from the anime, but I don't care. I did not watch that anime. So on the other side of the box, we can see the inner frames, the GN pistol. The Gundam Dynames is holding the pistol. And he has a beam saber. So this is very nice because most gunner Gundams I know, like the Heavy Arms, the Buster, Gun Cannon, and whatever else, they don't have the beam sabers or beam weapons. But Dynames is unique. That's why I bought it. So there's this GN Verner and the Gen Drive, which you can buy a light and apply it inside, so it can turn on and turn off to have a nice effect on your cabinets. So let's open the box and check what's inside. Inside, you can see the instruction manual. It's very nice, same as the box art here. and we can see here how to do the basics, and the parts here is not that much, unlike the other kits. Maybe I can build this 3 to 4 hours straight build. And we have here basic manual, the usual here. Then we have some anime clips and poses, crouching poses, sniping poses, and same in the box art. So this is what I like in Dynames. He can fold his cloak to an armor, body armor, and he can put all the weapons with him. He can store all the weapons with him. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So these are the packs here. We have the first pack. As usual, runner A is the multicolored runners, and we have here the call this the film, GN film design. White runners here. We have yellow colored runners and black colored runner together. We have this one for the GN pistols. We have clear parts here and black colored parts. We have the beam saber effect, flat beam saber effect, same like the call this, same like age 1 normal. So we have the parts for the gun and gray parts here for the inner frame. So as always, we'll have a quick review of the runners before I do the assembling of the kit. So we have here clear runner parts here, the E2 runners, and we have gray runner parts here, the H1 runner. We have the green parts, the I runner for the cloak or the shield, body shield, as well as the J runner, green colored runner. We have the beam saber effect. We have G1 runner for the guns. We have F1 runner here for the armor parts, green armor parts. We have C runner here for the inner frames. Another C runner, so we have 2 sets of C runners for the inner frame. And there's small runners here, the E1 yellow colored runners. We have H2 runner here and G2 runner for the GN pistols. We have here F2 runner, green colored armor parts or pieces. We have the usual A runner here with its multicolored feature. So we have here red, gray, white pieces and clear green pieces here. We have runner B here for gray colored pieces or plastics here. And last 2 here we have white colored runners, the D1 runner, and we have another D. So we have 2 D runners here. Okay. We also have here stickers. These are stickers. I thought this is a dry transfer or water slide decal, but it's sticker, and we have foil sticker here for the eyes and cameras, something like that. We also have here the plastic film or sheet for some detailing of the GN and blah blah, something like that. And that's it. Thank you again to G16 Base Hobby Store for this wonderful kit.